Hello ma'am, our project is sentimental analysis using web media and our group members are Satyam, Aman and Jeevan. Firstly, we will run our project. Until it runs, let's understand the logic of our project. We have built the model of neural network and saved as .h5 which is LSTM model.h5 here, and we have used the dataset of which has downloaded from Kaggle, which consists of 40,000 reviews of Amazon. uh, we will let's understand the logic of our model. Logic of our neural network, how it works. So first we have imported our libraries, then we have imported our data sets. After importing the dataset, let's look how the datasets look. This our dataset. Label 2 means it is a positive and these are the sentence. Label 1 means this is negative and this is the sentence. It is a 40,000 reviews. After that, we have splitted the labels and sentences. These are these are the sentences and these are the labels. Label is converted into 0 and 1s. If the label is positive, then 1 is 1. If the label is negative, then the 0 is 1. These are the After that, we have pre-processed the sentences, like every word have converted into small letters and all. After pre-processing, we have splitted these are the max we have selected the maximum pictures of 8192, which is a random number. As we have 40,000 reviews, we can have maximum features more than a lakhs, so we have only selected 8192 features and maximum length of 128 to create a matrix or bag of model. Then we have splitted our dataset into training and testing. Here it is X train, Y train, X test and Y test. Here it is. After that, we have done three steps like tokenizing, sequencing and padding. Tokenizing means splitting our sentence into words. After that, we have done a sequencing. Sequencing means converting our sentence words into numbers. Here it is. And after that, padding. As padding, we have done padding because one sentence can have features 15 and other can have features more than a 60. So here it can be a ununiform, and we can, if we fit this ununiform features into neural network, we can get an less accuracy. So we have made our whole sentence to uniform by padding. If the sentence have no features, then it is replaces with zeros, and these are the features. Converted words converted into numbers, like 0 to 127, maximum length is 128. After that, we have trained our model and saved as .h5. As training needs lots of time, so we have trained and saved it previously. After, we have used a framework, the Flask. These are the coding of Flask framework. We have loaded the model, LSTM model, which we have trained. And after that, we have these are the codings of database, connection of database, local host and all, database name. This is the link of index page .html, index.html. This has the coding of first product, which is still here, and this is the coding of our second product, which is still here. Let's move on to the uh, it has run. Let's move on to the demo of the product project. This is our index.html. This is our first product, and this is our second product. Let's move into our first product. You can give reviews like typing name, submit. After refreshing, we get this is a positive review, so we will give one negative review also. After refreshing, we got nothing. Let's try to our second product, which is here. Go to pants and try here. Submit it. Let's refresh it, and we got. Let's try some negative reviews with different names. Let's refresh it, and we have get 2.8, which is negative mostly. And thank you, man.